guys, I'm right at Concord and now we're going to explore this amazing trail which is right at the end of downtown. So let's get started. So I am at this junction of Lakeshore and Bathurst, and from here all you need to do is walk in this direction all the way to that point, and this is just going to guide you to the trail. Just keep walking. Luckily I'm really blessed to have this place right below my apartment, which is there. So yeah, so just walk here. Also it's right opposite the new Loblaws and Shoppers, so cross this and just keep walking till the point you can see. I'll catch you in a bit. So on the way there is this amazing park, which is Stadium Park. So it's right opposite. You can see the fall colors are already here, and there is a nice lake view on the extreme left of this park, and this is a nice cycle and walk lane, and you also have some places to play games. And right behind these trees that you see, I'll show you in a bit, is the Lake Ontario. So before reaching the trail there is still a nice long walk that will take you there. So right from where you begin, you're on Sporty Spirit, which is really amazing, and you can see all these amazing people cycling and running and just increase your motivation. And on the left, like I promised, that's the water. So nice green area for yoga or whatever. This is the Stadium Park at Lakeshore, and Photoshoot Boulevard, that's the park and the water right across this special cycling lane that has been created. So right at the end of it is where our trail starts. So this is about a 12 minutes walk. So we've almost reached the exhibition, the end. On the left you can see the beautiful lake. The park has ended. You can see the two colors of water. I don't know if the camera can show it to you, but it's blue and white. And this is right opposite the exhibition place, and this is where you can see the road is where this ends, and it's a really short span. You can see all the runners are probably heading to that place, and there's a very short span of place where you need to just walk maybe for a couple of minutes, and then we would reach the point that we're actually heading to, our trail. So right at the Ontario Place, right opposite the Toronto Hotels and opposite the Benfield Centre, here you have a nice parking space, and that's one way which you can start walking towards. Right at the entrance you can see this board which tells you about the trails that are closed and the trails that are open. So we are going to cover the one which is green, which goes all the way to Etobicoke. But yeah, so we'd already started the trail from there apparently, and the most important thing, this is all for free. There is no entrance, nothing. You can just come in and enjoy the view, the small monuments like these. It's a piece of art, and there's a nice rocky place around it to sit down and enjoy. And there's a garden area on the right hand side, which is also cute. You can just bring your, bed sheets or something and just come and lie down. And for the ones who love the beach, love the water, there's more than enough. That's the CN Tower, and that's the Boat Yacht Club right there. And this is on the other side. The Yacht Club is the one you saw in my previous video, and this is where your trail takes you to this very beautiful place. And this is just the beginning, guys. So the waves are causing a mini waterfall. And the best part of it is what I love during these times of COVID, it's absolutely not overpopulated with people like the harbourfront. So there are some rocky places where you can sit and relax. There are some walking trails. It's just amazing. As you can see, people are sitting on these rocks and relaxing. That's where we're heading to, that section. I'll get more details about the trail. So right as you enter the section, this is a nice big stone with this information on top of it. And that's where your trail starts. So again, parallel to the water. So this is the name of the trail. If you're wondering what the name of the trail is, it's William G. Davis Trail. A lot of information. 40 years ago, leading to 2017. It's a 1.3 kilometer trail, which is completely doable by people like me. I'm not so much into walking. So the two options from here. You could either go straight and go through these green, luscious forest type places, and during the falls it is already fall, but it's probably going to be way better in like 15 days from now, so I'll cover that then. But being a water lover, water baby, I'm probably going to head in this direction. But just to let you know, this actually takes you directly to the Cinesphere, which you would also go to otherwise. And this is the trail actually. This is exactly what the trail is. So here we go. Can you guess what this is? You have a couple of seconds to guess. It's a shoe. Can you see the shoelace now? Let me magnify out of it on the other side of the wall. There you go. Now do you get it? Extremely cute. And just love this. Just look at this view. Isn't it beautiful? Fall colors coming together with some white flowers. The water in the background. It's just so beautiful. There is a lot of place to sit down if you're interested on the right hand side. You see those stones? They're all meant for sitting. But I'm here for a trail, so I'm probably gonna walk. If you feel like you want some peace, you could join these people on another stone. Remember social distancing. Sit here and relax. This is not the only point, guys. I'll take you to another very nice point where me and my husband usually sit down. So this is my favorite spot here. Cross these pebbles, get onto these rocks. I still haven't figured out what these red things are, but I would definitely use them for coloring. Let's come down a little. This is where we usually sit, on this rock. I go a little further because I know how to swim. That's how beautiful this place is. Peace, calm, the sound of the waves, the water, the breeze. Now you know why these rocks are black and these are white. Isn't this just amazing? This is my favorite spot of the trail. My second favorite spot here are these rocks. Usually you find people lying down here, sunbathing, doing yoga, enjoying themselves, but mostly the children jumping up and down, trying their rock climbing skills. And on the left hand side you have this amazing view. This is one of the best trails I have seen, which gives me everything that I like. The water, and you can see those guys doing their rock climbing business. Those small little piggies there trying to do their rock climbing. This amazing view of the water. It's just so beautiful. The whole combination comes across so beautifully. The rocks, everything. It's just so beautiful. So as I move a little further, going a little higher, so you can see that's the direction in which the trail is going. There is again some place to sit by, some benches, no swimming. So this water is deep, and they have emergency stuff here lying around, and that's the view that you see in most of the pictures. The sound of the water is so amazing. And now to add to this beauty, come September, we have this fall colors, which is so beautiful. It just adds to the beauty. Red, yellow, orange. There's just so much going on here. Now you can see a place at the end, at the back. What if I tell you, you can actually go here? The boardwalk at the back, you can actually go there. We'll be going there in a bit. And this is the amazing trail we will go forward with. Enjoy the fall colors, the water splashing on your face sometimes. I'm going to the right lane. I'm walking on the wrong side of the road. It's just so beautiful. I'm obsessed with the view here, and I can come here every day. Did you look at that? The water, the sound of the water splashing against the rocks. I could make a meditative video here. After relaxing here for a couple of minutes, I finally decided to move on. It's quite difficult to leave this place, honestly. So come here when you have lots of time and you don't have to go back and cook or clean. Just walking around the trail. If you keep walking along this trail, you're probably going to reach Etobicoke or Mississauga. So if you have friends out there, you could probably stop in for some tea or coffee. There are some playing around places for the children, but I just can't get enough of the water. And to add to the beauty, in summer you can also see these flowers, beautiful flowers. They have this point, which is basically stand there and look at the water. This is where I'm going right now. So this is one of a nice peaceful spot, very picturesque spot as well. Let's take you there in a bit. Yes. This is it. On a nice windy day, come with your hair open and just relax. Moving on to the beautiful flower arrangement that they have here. If you're not new to Toronto, you already know that a lot of stuff is said with flowers here. And this says Ontario. I'm on the wrong side, so probably I'm gonna go over. But can you see how beautiful these flowers are? Just so pretty. I remember seeing this on Hong Kong airport once. And this is what it says, Ontario. Can you read it now? But the view, it's just so beautiful. And with that, guys, it's a wrap. I've covered the 1.3 kilometers and shown you a glimpse. You must come to this place. If you're in downtown, don't feel bad and don't have a car. Don't feel bad you can't go around. There are such gems around the place. If you'd like me to review some other gem, please do let me know. And for next time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you get these updates and make most out of it. Do visit this place, guys, and let me know in the comments which is your best spot. Until next time, this is your Tech signing off.